I am pleased to invite Ms. Rabia Samir sir to grace this occasion by her words.
Headmaster, Mr. Javed sir, my colleagues, and dear students, today we are gathered here to celebrate a day that's very close to the heart of every teacher, that's Teachers' Day. For me, standing here is not just an honor, it's a moment of reflection, a moment to ask myself, why did I choose to become a teacher? And every time I look into the curious eyes of the students, I find my answer. A teacher's role goes far beyond the textbooks and examinations. We're not only to teach lessons of mathematics, science, or literature. We have to teach the lessons of life, lessons of honesty, lessons of kindness, courage, and perseverance. A teacher is not just someone who explains, but someone who inspires, ignites curiosity, and builds character. There is a saying, a teacher affects eternity. No one can tell you why the influence stops. Indeed, the influence of a good teacher lasts forever. Every successful person you meet in the world, be it a doctor, engineer, scientist, artist, or a leader, has someone in their life being guided by a teacher who believe in them. Today, on this moment, when I could not see to myself, whatever I am doing is because of them. And this is the beautiful, clean chain of teaching, knowledge and values passed from generation to generation, like a torch that never goes out. My dear students, as we celebrate this day, I want to leave you with a message. You live in a time of opportunities and challenges. The world is changing fast than ever. Technology is reshaping our lives. But remember, no machine can replace a good human heart. So while you strive for academic success, never forget the value of humanity, respect. Respect your parents, respect your teachers, respect every person you meet, and most importantly, respect yourself. Teaching is not an easy profession. It requires patience, sacrifice, and dedication. But the greatest reward we receive is not wealth or fame. It is seeing you, our students, succeed and stand tall and become good human beings. That's the real achievement of a teacher. On this Teachers' Day, I want to thank all my colleagues for their tireless efforts and my students for giving us the reason to keep going. Together, let's keep the bond of learning alive, while teachers inspire and students aspire. Thank you once again, and happy Teachers' Day to all. Thank you.